Today I'm going to have a review of the tool Floop. Floop is a browser-based tool that allows teachers to create assignments for students online. Compared with the traditional way of turning in assignments in a classroom, it supports students to receive annotated feedback simultaneously from teachers and peers. Teachers can put comments and markers on any place where they want to provide information after students submit an assignment instantly. Students also can see and respond to feedback or ask questions privately to enhance their learning from using this tool. Floop is very easy to use. After signing up for an account, you can get started. For example, first of all, create a class and set up a profile for your class. Then, have your student enter your class enroll code, found in the student section of your class page. And you can edit your class profile on the settings section on the same page. Once getting done with them, you can create assignments for your class by clicking the green button and setting up the detail of your tasks. Teachers may choose to run anonymous peer review sessions where students respond to questions on their classmates' work and receive comments from their classmates. In terms of this feature, students could improve their critical thinking from others' experiences. Teachers can track feedback and view students' responses, but they cannot comment on them, which I think is a defect for this tool because teachers cannot correct mistakes during students' collaboration in this session. As a teacher, you also could use this tool to manage many different courses by clicking here, create new class, set up the class to use this tool to manage your various lessons or classes at the same time. Overall, Floop is a tool that is very convenient and practical for teachers and students. Thanks for your watching.